this is like something slightly different. I am doing my very first video for the Beetle Restoration. With help from Danny. He's going to teach me how to do the welding, the making of panels and putting the Beetle back together.
Right, so I'm not actually sure what Michelle did there. I'm just leaving her to it, so we'll just leave the intro as it is. But basically, customers started this. He's not done a very good job, brought it to me. He's not worried too much about the finish, he just wants it on the road. So that's why Michelle's doing it. She's doing it. And she can learn and then cock up a little bit. It's not the end of the world. So today I've got a couple of other things to do. My old man's here to help. I'm just going to show you a couple of things, but let me walk you around the car and then we'll show you what actually needs doing. So here's the little Beetle. He's, like I said, he's done bits and bobs to it before. I mean, like that there is really bad. It's all distorted in. That we're going to have to rectify that. Michelle's going to be doing this bit today. How much she films of it I don't know, so I apologise in advance. But later on we've got new inner wing to do. As you can see, he's butchered it. He's already done a bit at the bottom. He's fitted an inner wing this side, but it's not attached properly. It's what we call it. Yeah, he hasn't done anything. You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just got the armour plate here. It's a lot of work. So this is going to be Michelle's learning curve, and I'll leave her to carry on with the video. Are you happy with that?
No, because I've got to carry on doing it.
Would you like to tell your door in public what you're doing?
I am cleaning up the metal so we can weld it into the car.
Have you explained?
If the metal isn't clean enough, then you cannot get the penetration of the weld to go.
Have you explained anything about the panel that you've made?
I have done no filming at all because of your dad.
Don't blame other people for your mistakes. This is your video.
So
You're better off just cleaning it up and then explaining it to the car, aren't you?
yeah, I am. Right, so the panel has been made. We've had to slot it up and in. We've had to jig about here and fold it to be able to get it in place. We have a 10mm fold to sit on this ledge here. So we've got to put a few tacks in here and then bring this bit out to be able to tack in here. And then hopefully after that we can then sort this bit out here.
So, you want to come and just double check?
No, I'm happy. Film it for me.
I'm going to guess this because I don't know other way of doing this. What we'll do is look at the line and see how we go with it. Right, Tiff. Right, if I hold that there, you get a tack right at the bottom there if you can. Right. So I'll push it. Well, even that's right. So where's that taperometer? Right. So you've got a slight raised section there, okay? if you can get a tack there, perhaps one just down there.
So this is what we've got to so far. I've got to fully seam weld it, but we've got a fold under here. It's tucked up under here, and we've got it folded all around here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to do because Danny's dad just kept running away with it. But next time, Danny's on the case, and we will be filming a lot more, and he'll be teaching a lot more than what I've learnt. But for my first bit of welding on a car, I think that's pretty good. So that's it for my first video. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record as much as I wanted to do. We got Danny's dad in to help me because Danny had to do other things. But unfortunately, he doesn't like being recorded. So next time, Danny will be on the case and we'll be recording a lot more of me doing the Beetle. Danny's also going to teach me a lot more about making panels within the next couple of weeks. So hopefully we'll record that as well. But again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please press the button and check out our other videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye.